So I added the Sonos Roam to my Sonos system, and since it's a rather new product from Sonos, I thought I'd give you a few impressions how it looks like and also how it compares to other Sonos products. So we'll do a quick sound comparison in a minute. A purpose for me is, as you see here, take it outdoors. It comes with a battery. It was perfect timing since the weather got really nice in Norway like a week ago or so when I got the product. In addition, you can use it at home as part of your existing Sonos system as you would use any other Sonos speaker like the SLs or the Move or so. So it integrates via Wi-Fi, via outdoors, like you see here, that blue light. You can connect it via Bluetooth or AirPlay. Really convenient. The transition is seamless from indoors going to outdoors, connecting to Bluetooth. We're very happy with it so far. The unboxing is rather unexciting because there's not really too much to say. It's a product itself, which is really small, which is a good thing if you want to take it along with you. You have to have a compromise between sound quality and size. And it comes with a USB-C cable. There is a charging stand available, but it's not included, and I haven't bought the charging stand. Yes, Sonos Move, which you will see in a minute, comes with a charging stand, but of course it's way bigger and also way more expensive. I will then do a quick sound comparison, which is self-explanatory. I will just point at the speaker that it's playing, which is my Roam, which you see here, then the Move, which is a bigger brother of the Roam, and then my Sonos Arc and Subwoofer. The Subwoofer is hidden behind the backpack, but anyway, it's the Arc and the Subwoofer and the sound speakers that are playing simultaneously when I point at the Arc. course, YouTube cannot really replicate the original sound, but my personal observation is that there's of course a significant difference between both the Move and Roam and the full Sono sound system, including the ARC and the subwoofer. Especially the subwoofer cannot be replicated on YouTube, so you simply don't hear or feel the deep bass, and also the surround speakers that I got on my Sonos system. So you just need to trust me when I say if you're in the room, there is of course a significant difference. However, what that Move, the bigger one, and the small one, the Roam, what they put out in terms of sound quality for that size is also very respectable. The Move has a way more pronounced bass than the little Roam, which is not surprising because the Roam is way smaller and way lighter, and it's simply different purposes. So if you plan to use an outside speaker within your own premises, like on your deck or so, the Move might be the way to go because you're not really carrying it that far from the inside to the outside. If you, like you see in the pictures here, going hiking, going to the beach, going to a lake or so, the Roam is perfect for me so far. It's waterproof, so you don't need to be concerned that water splashes on it. The battery life, I'm not sure what Sono says. I haven't really tested it, but it's several hours, so it should be okay for your normal day-to-day activities. And which is also very nice that it integrates so flawlessly into your existing Sonos system. So right now, as I also shown in 2 other videos, I got for my TV, I got the full Sonos package with the ARC and the surround speakers and the subwoofer. While now the Sonos Roam, if I'm not using it outdoors, it's simply part of a different room and it connects as any other speaker. So when I'm inside, it connects to my Wi-Fi and it gives me the same sound that I got on my ARC and my subwoofer and my SLs. And also my Move, which is then standing in a different room when I'm not outdoors. So it all becomes one system. And you saw that from end of last year when I bought my first Sonos product, it was the ARC, I become more and more a fan of Sonos. And the main reason is, besides the sound quality, is that it simply works. You don't have to think about it, you install it or set it up once, and then everything else is so intuitively. Also how you hear the volume on different speakers via the app and so on. I'm really happy with it. And if you have the chance, go for a live listening at your local dealer. Just check the differences, which one is right for you, also in terms of price difference. Do you want to invest more for a bigger and more expensive Move? Is maybe the Roam the right one for you, or none of those? Do you want to go for a full Sonos ARC and subwoofer package? Hopefully that video gave you a little bit of insight, but nothing replaces a real life audio experience, and just you need to listen it to yourself. If you